Good day to you, gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by. It's good to know you. In our last video, we talked about mastering our financial foresight. Today, we're gonna pick up where we left off. But listen, before we proceed, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the like button and subscribe to this channel. Alright, let's go. One of the primary tenets of financial foresight is proactive planning. Instead of reacting to financial challenges as they arise, those who practice financial foresight anticipate potential issues and develop strategies to mitigate their impacts. This forward-thinking mindset promotes resilience, ensuring that individuals are prepared to face unexpected expenses or economic downturns without severe distress. Let's lay the foundation of financial foresight. Financial foresight is fundamentally built upon several key principles that serve as the backbone for effective money management. And once you understand these essential concepts, you'll realize that this is crucial for anyone aspiring to ensure a secure financial future. First, and what I believe to be the most important, is your budget. You gotta do it, fellas. We gotta have a budget. Look at your brother and say, budget. Budget! Budgeting plays a vital role in financial foresight. It involves creating a detailed plan that outlines your income and your expenditures. It helps you to identify where your money is going. When you track your expenses and adjust your spending accordingly, you can manage your finances more effectively, my brothers. You don't need to eat out every day. You need to learn how to cook. Secondly, saving is an indispensable aspect of financial planning, which should go without saying. However, I'll say it anyway. Setting aside a portion of income for future needs fosters a mindset of foresight. Whether it's for emergencies, retirement, or specific ambitions, having savings can and will provide a financial cushion that ensures stability and a peace of mind. One of the primary tenets of financial foresight is proactive planning. Tenets, what is that? A tenet or tenets is a principle. It's a doctrine or belief held as a truth. Instead of reacting to financial challenges as they arise, we use foresight to anticipate potential issues. That type of forward thinking is not only wisdom, it promotes resilience and keeps you prepared when there is an economic downturn. Investing is another critical element that supports financial foresight. Investing in various assets such as stocks, bonds, or real estate, you can grow your wealth over time. The earlier investing begins, the more time the investments have to compound, multiplying returns and enhancing financial security. Irrespective of when you start, it's never too late. Just start. Stop defeating yourself! We gentlemen are our own worst enemy. Let's change that today. Lastly, risk management is an often overlooked principle. Understanding and mitigating financial risks through insurance or diversification will assist you in navigating uncertainties. A well-rounded risk management strategy not only protects your assets, but also gives you the latitude to make informed decisions about your investments. In summary, a solid foundation of budgeting, saving, investing, and risk management is critical for mastering financial foresight. By integrating these core concepts into one's financial strategy, you will be better equipped to anticipate future needs and make decisions that contribute to a more secure financial future. Check out the links in the subscription box below. I provided a few links that will provide additional resources about this subject matter. I hope you find these videos valuable for your growth. Until next time, gentlemen, let's get it! Show 'em!